Okay, YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to reboot your phone in recovery mode without you having to hold any buttons or anything. If you have applanet, you search for, one second please, if you have applanet, you can search for root booter, R-O-O-T, you see it really weird, root, root booter. And I end up on the app planet root booster right here. Click download. I already have it, of course, so I'm going to download it. Once it's done downloading, go to your app list, search for root booster. You must have clock mod recovery image on your phone, or it will not work. You have your option to choose normal reboot, recovery mode, reboot, will boot, little reboot. We can go to recovery reboot. Notice I'm not holding any buttons or anything on my phone. No hands. See hands right here, no hands. Bam, there you go. It's easy. F1, 2, 3.